Hi, I'm Erin.
And I'm Matt. Welcome to our channel.
Today we're going to show you how we saved this dresser from the trash. In our city, there's this free curbside giveaway day in the summer. While driving around that day, we spotted this dresser. Although it was in pretty rough shape, we thought we could fix it up, so we put it in the van and brought it home.
We were really excited to come across this piece because all of the drawers and features it has. It also had the broken piece of wood from this drawer, which meant we could fix it. A lot of things need to be put back together, but all the pieces were there.
The original finish has some damage, so we're going to sand it all down and refinish it. To start, we're going to glue everything back together. To reattach this chip, we're going to use wood glue and a couple drops of CA glue. The CA glue will help clamp the chip down while the wood glue is drying. We also added some tape to help hold it in place and wiped away the excess glue.
We also needed to reglue a lot of the other drawers back together. Once we had the drawers fixed, we removed the hardware and planned to reattach it later.
To make sanding easier, we disassembled the doors. We then sanded down the entire dresser using orbital sanders.
For the body of the dresser, we weren't as worried about getting all the finish off, mostly just smoothing out any damage. Our plan is to paint the body and stain the drawers and drawer fronts.
To paint the body, we're going to use an HVLP gun. The paint we are using is bare chalk paint and the color is thermal. We applied multiple thin coats, allowing it to dry between them.
To stain the top and drawers, we are using a water-based 2-in-1 by Varathane. We are also using the HVLP gun again, applying 2 coats.
To finish off, we sealed everything with 2 coats of polyacrylic and then reassembled the dresser.
With how rough this one was, we are really happy we were able to save it from the trash. Here's what we started with, and here's where we ended up.